you all know, there's two different types of clamps. You know, you have the winged clamps, like the number 2 clamp, or you have the wingless clamp, like the W2 clamp, W standing for wingless. For operative dentistry, you're normally going to use a wingless clamp. But as you know, the wings on this clamp are actually made to be able to attach them easier to the rubber dam. So I'm going to show you how to do the same thing with a wingless clamp. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and perforate my Isolate black rubber dam. And once the rubber dam is perforated, I'm going to attach the 2 clamp just so that just to review this with you, right? Because I know you know how to do this. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to grab the wings of the clamp and you're going to stretch them until you connect it to the rubber dam. That's how easy it is when you are using a winged clamp. And obviously now you can see that I'm going to be able to attach my clamp forceps and take this directly into the patient's mouth. Now the question is, how can I do the same thing with a wingless clamp? Because obviously the clamp does not have any wings, so how would you attach it? How would you connect the clamp directly with the rubber dam? And the way that I do this is I literally grab the rubber dam and I stretch the rubber dam on top of the bow of the wingless clamp, just like you see me do right here. Now, at this point, the jaws of the clamp are underneath the rubber dam, and you can see it right here. So this is where I then connect my forceps and take this rubber dam now directly into the patient's mouth. This would make it a lot easier. You connect it to the tooth, you let go of the clamp, and now you can stretch your rubber dam around the bow and get it to go to the cervical portion of the tooth and seal that area completely for you.